Dumpster Rental service in Cochecton, New York. Are you planning a cleanup or renovation in Cochecton? You'll need a reliable and affordable way to manage the debris. That's where we come in. With our trusted dumpster rental service in Cochecton, New York, NextGen Dumpster Rental helps you keep your space clean, organized, and free from clutter. Homeowners, contractors, and business owners throughout the area count on us for fast and flexible dumpster solutions. We offer multiple dumpster sizes to fit a variety of projects, from garage cleanouts and roof replacements to construction sites and commercial renovations. Choosing the right dumpster is simple, with our knowledgeable team guiding you through every step. We'll recommend the best size for your job, deliver it promptly, and pick it up when you're done, on your schedule, not ours. Each of our dumpsters is well maintained, durable, and capable of handling everything from household junk to heavy debris. You won't have to worry about waste buildup slowing your progress. We've got you covered. If you want a smooth, stress-free experience, our dumpster rental service in Cochecton, New York, is the solution. Let us help you tackle your cleanup with ease. Call NextGen Dumpster Rental at 845-456-0335 to book your dumpster. Fast, friendly, and focused on your success, we make waste removal the easy part.